Many people look at life as a journey, but many people look at life as a battle. Iba-iba ang pananaw sa buhay, pero marami ang tao ang pagtingin sa buhay ay laban. Laban lang. Kaya dinugtong ko dyan yung dalawang napakahalaga sa laban. Anumang laban, pag-asa at pagtiyaga. Hope and perseverance. Anumang laban sa buhay ang papasukin natin. Dalawa ito sa pinakamahalagang bagay na dapat meron tayo. Pag-asa at tiyaga. Perseverance daw ay yung patuloy na pakikibaka at hindi tayo nagkikwit. Now, brothers and sisters, hindi po lahat ng laban natin, ha? No? That's one thing about life. Minsan, choose your battles. As Christians, we have to be wise enough. Tonight, this is something very specific kasi sususugan natin si San Pablo, si Saint Paul. Kasi ang kukunan natin ng salita ngayon o ng gabay sa ating formation ay si San Pablo. He has run the race. Sa kanyang pangalawang sulat kay Timoteo, chapter 4, verse 7, nakalagay dyan, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. He did not say, I won the race. I won the fight. No. He did not say that. He said, I had a good fight. I put up a stand. Lumaban ako, hindi ako naging chope. I didn't quit. I made up a good fight. And then I finished the race. Ang mahalaga, sabi ni St. Paul, I finished the race. What is important here is you run and you finished the race. In Paul's letter, first letter to the Corinthians, sabi niya, do you not know that in a race all runners run, but only one gets the prize? So, run in such a way as to get the prize. Dati, kung ano-ano ang race natin. Pero ngayon, we are all in the same race. And the beautiful thing about this, we are all in the same team. We are teammates. No? Iba-iba lang itsura natin, iba-iba ang ating mga training, iba-iba ang ating mga edad, pero we are all teammates. That's why the first word I like you have to remember today, 4 R's. The first R is remember, tandaan. What does St. Paul make us want to remember? Preparation, learnings, goal. Do you not remember the lessons? That's why the second R leads us to remove. Alam mo, pag tumatakbo minsan may mga pabigat. In our run of faith, sa laban sa buhay, dapat alisin mo yung mga unnecessary bit-bit mo. What are the suggestions here? Yan. Useless weights, unwanted burdens. Minsan yung past natin. Of course, there are a lot of things about the past, but we should know where to put the past so that we can move forward swiftly. And sometimes these useless weights and unwanted burdens, minsan mga tao ito. Hey, sometimes unwanted burdens are problems that is not your problem, pero inaako mo. Sometimes in our run of faith, in our race, there are things we need to remove. Learn which to remove. Third R is remain. Ito yung medyo challenging. Maraming magagaling sa simula lang. Pero yung pananatili, ay nako, mahirap. Persevere and focus, of course, di ba? Avoid distractions. There are times that you don't think, you don't feel, but you continue running. It's part. It is already the Spirit making you run. If you don't feel it, you don't have to feel it all the time. Kailangan, feel nyo ba lagi ang Holy Spirit? Hindi naman, di ba may pagkakataon na hindi? Sometimes we get distracted, but hey, remain. And of course, run. Be faithful. Di ba? Run with endurance. Persevere. No? That's why, the best way to understand commitment is just be there. So, kapatid, number 1, hindi lahat ng laban nyo, ha. Dapat alam natin kung anong laban natin. Pero ang buhay Kristiyano ay parang isang laban. Pagtakbo. Dapat laging pinaghahandaan. Dapat may mga bagay na hindi kakalimutan habang tumatakbo kasi susubukan yon habang tumatakbo tayo. So in this life, we should run the race. We should fight our battles. So run the race. Last from the Psalms, but those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Trust in the Lord.